Hi, welcome back to MS Word tutorials. Today we will see the different editing options that we can use and while working on MS Word. Okay, the different editing options that we have is find, replace, go to and select. Now we'll see how to apply find, replace, select and go to and in what situations we'll be using. So let me tell you one thing. So while creating the Word document on any of the things, any of the topics that you choose. So for example, this topic is about the top countries, 10 countries with highest population in the world. So you can see the different countries and its descriptions, right? So suppose considering that you have completed your document and you wanted to edit something, and you when you are reviewing it and you wanted to add some editing options, and you are trying to editing, sorry. So what are the different ways? Suppose you have find something that there is a text that I need to replace that text with some other thing. Okay, so then what is the best way to do? So are you going to search each text, where is that text is located, and you're going to replace it, or do we have any other alternate ways? Yes, we have that alternate ways to find and to replace that particular text. Okay, and for example, let's take a string called country. Okay, and I wanted to find where this country string is available in this entire document. So it's just simply I can go to uh, place your cursor here, just select this and you can see the find option here, and I'm going to text it as country. Okay, and find. So you can find this text here, 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 and it find in many places, right? So just go to next. Okay, and this way the string can be find in any different places. So in this way you can find using the find option of any particular string you wanted to search. And apart from this, you have more filter options here. Either you want to search down, either the entire, and wherever you want to search you can search it. Find all words forms English, or you if you have to select like sounds like English, then ignore punctuation characters, ignore white space characters. So like this you can see the different options using find. And apart from this, if you want to search by specific style, yes, you can search it by style. This format is very much useful if you are working or if you are doing some editing, when you are especially writing some book using Word doc. So whether you wanted to add format some text, and if you wanted to edit some text, so especially at that time this it will be very much useful while writing some books or any other topics, if you are working for any projects and anything, etc. So you can find this option. Okay, so in this way you can find this. And if suppose you want to highlight this, so you can see word highlighted is 14 items. That means it in the entire document the country was found 14 times, right? So if I remove highlighting, so the highlighting will remove. Okay, so and you can see another current selection main document like this, you can find this. Okay, so just close it. So this was about the find option. Now we will work on replace. Okay, so replace is nothing but you're going to replace one specific string to another specific string, right? Okay, country with nation. Okay, I want to replace with country with some text called nation. Okay, find next, find next, country, country, country. Okay, so it since I selected as sounds like English slides, it has find like uh, countries also was found. Okay, if you select find only word you can see that, sorry. Okay, country, find next, country. So it is going to find that particular string only. Okay, so now what I want to do is, since earlier we searched like the country was repeated 14 times, so now we have to replace. So if I replace it, so it will replace only that particular place. Okay, if you click on replace all, so replace all is not recommended, and find all the word forms continue to replace. Okay, 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 you can see level replacements. And apart from that, since we have first updated this, right, so now that's the reason you can see it has 11 count. Okay, now again, now I'll go to find and I will search for country, and let's see if you can still find that. No, word has reached the end of the order and was not found. Okay, and now I'll search the find as nation, highlight all. Okay, 13 items found. Okay, so this is how we replace the string, and we found the string since it has nations. So you can see this text somewhere as okay, top 10 nations in the country, so including this it got changed, right? So since I have made it as clear highlighting, so it will highlight the clear. Now the next option is go to. So within this here itself you can find an option called go to. So this has like 3 pages. I wanted to go to a particular page, so you can select that particular page and go to. So you can go to the particular page. If I go to third page, directly type it as 3 so that you can go to third page. And apart from this, you want, if you want to go to a specific line, so you can just enter the specific line so that you will begin to going into the specific line. And bookmarks, comments, if you want to go directly to any particular object, you will go to that particular object if you have that in your document. Okay, so this is how we use different editing options in MS Word, that is to find, replace and go to. So these are the 3 key editing options that will be very much useful whenever you're working with MS Word, especially while creating some documentary, some reading some books or anything. So this will be very much useful. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.